know you guys are interested in knowing my thoughts on the unboxing of this gorgeous Alipearl hair. But before I give you guys the 411 on the unboxing, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about a company called Dossier. So I'm going to give you guys the rundown on that company first, and then I'll be right back to let you guys know my thoughts on this hair. Okay, you guys, so this is the packaging, which is very cute. So if you've never heard of this company, Dossier, they are a fair alternative to luxury perfumes where they have all of your favorite scents for a fraction of the cost. The scent that I was sent, get it? It's called Fruity Jasmine and is the alternative scent to Dior's J'adore, which retails for $138, but you can snag this amazing sweet scent for only $29. The website will be down below in the description box, where once you click the link, you will receive a 10% discount off of your entire order. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. This is for a limited time, you guys, so you definitely want to take advantage. Special thanks to Dossier for sending me this amazing perfume. So the wig came in this gorgeous pink bag along with this wig cap. The wig is inside of this Ziploc bag, which has the inch and density on it. This is the 26-inch deep wave 4x4 closure unit. So I did end up washing this unit before putting it exactly on my head. I don't believe in putting units on my head straight out of the packaging. I don't know where this hair has been, so I did wash and condition it and let it air dry overnight, and this is how it is looking. It is 180% density, and as you can see, it is true to length, and it is also true to density as well. It is very, very full. Now I'm just going to go in with my Black Radiance press powder in the color Cashew and apply that to my parting area, and that's just going to allow it to look a tad bit more natural. Next, I'm just going to go in with my mister bottle, my hair gel, and my white tooth comb. And basically, I like using hair gel on my deep wave units because I just find that it makes my hair last way longer than mousse. Most people like using mousse, but I prefer gel because it just allows my style and my curls to last so much longer. So now I'm just going to go in with the white tooth comb and detangle the hair. You want to make sure the hair is fully saturated. It's going to really make your curls pop. And now I'm just going in and finger detangling and making sure all of the tangles are out of the hair. Now I'm just going in with the gel, and that is Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel. Huge fan of that gel. It doesn't flake or anything, and I'm just scrunching it into the hair. I used about 2 quarter-size amounts of gel on each side, and yeah, I just let it dry overnight. This is how the hair is looking once I applied the gel and water and finished scrunching it. As you can see, it has a gorgeous curl pattern. And I will see you guys the next day. So here it is the next day, and as you can see, my hair is already pretty flat, and I got it that way by putting my wig on a mannequin head and putting a ball cap on top of it. Just a quick tip for you guys. So now I'm just going in with my hot comb and mainly focusing it on the closure area just to make the wig lay super flat. Now I'm just going to go in with my wax stick, and that's basically going to tame the flyaways, and it's also going to help it lay flat as well. Now that I've finished applying the wax stick, I'm now going to go in and fluff the hair and break the cast of the gel. And basically that's what's going to allow it to look a tad bit more natural and more fuller as well. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, and I must say I'm super happy with the way this hair came out. So after washing it and conditioning it, the hair is very, very soft. So this is the Deep Wave 26-inch from Alipearl Hair. So I did go directly to the alipearlhair.com website to purchase this wig. This is their 4x4 Deep Wave 26-inch unit. They say that you can also purchase it off of AliExpress and then like find the vendor Alipearl, but they say the hair is not the same. I don't know how true that is. I've never purchased it that way. So I highly advise you guys to obviously just go directly to their website and purchase from there. Now I'm pretty sure it's probably cheaper going through the AliExpress way, but obviously you pay for what you get. I did end up spending about $350 on this unit. It is very long, definitely true to length. Again, it is 26 inches. I stand at 5'10". Can you scoot back, please? Thank you. And it is also true, to density. The density that I got was 180%. You can purchase that, or you can also get the 250%. 250, I feel like that's just way too dense for my liking. And to be honest, the 180% density was a little bit too much for me as well. I did end up taking out about 4 tracks. Yeah, I went in this middle area and I took out 4 tracks. This is all of the hair to the front, but it's not completely fluffed out. And as you can see, this hair is very, very full. Now mind you, as you know, you go throughout the day. Yeah, my son is just, that's my son. As you go throughout the day, the hair is going to get bigger and bigger, especially with me living in Louisiana. The humidity is going to make it bigger and bigger. So I had to remove some tracks so it wouldn't be like super duper big. So yeah, for those of you who back, for those of you who like that humongous hair, this unit is definitely for you. So far so good. I mean, I've only been wearing it for a couple of days. Obviously this is the initial review. I am going to be back in about a month and a half to let you guys know if this hair tangles bad, if it sheds bad, how is the curl pattern, does it poof up really bad, or does it, you know, pretty much keep this pattern throughout the day. So I'm super excited to see how this hair reacts. I've been trying to find me some really good deep wave hair, and hopefully this is it. So if you guys have purchased from Alipearl Hair, let me know down below in the comment section. And like always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.